Hello everyone, this is the question number 9. Which of the following are causes of plateau associated with learning curve? Let's understand the option first. Option number A says lack of balance among various phases of a complex skill. Second option is shifting of attention from one phase of performance to another. Third is fatigue and boredom, and fourth one is a positive interest and incentives. In order to understand these options, we have seen that they are talking about the understanding of a student. Understanding means how much a student is understand, in which order a person or a student basically understand the complex things. What does that learning curve means? Learning curve means at initial stage. Let's understand this way. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. At initial stage, like at this point, students have nothing, like students not know about maximum things. Like then students start understanding the things, learning new things, patterns, and then at one point of time a student is like this. The understanding level of students is linear, like it's not increasing upwards, and then suddenly the understanding level of students work like this. So this is generally called the learning curve of a student. And what does plateau, which is associated by the learning curve? Have you noticed this straight line? This is called the plateau. Plateau is a state when a student is facing some problems to understand the new things. What new things? It can be any complex problem, it can be new things where students is facing some problems. Problems might, it may be like student is not taking interest, or students is have facing some boredom problem, like students is not taking interest in order to understand some complex problem. And suddenly when student try to understand the things and it's able to understand and get what does that mean, then suddenly the learning curves go higher. So let's understand the options once again. Lack of balance, right? It is also a cause of the plateau. Like due to this, the learning curve will be moved like this in a straight manner. Second, the shifting of attention from one phase of performance to another. Yes, student is doing one task and suddenly student is, changing her focus from one to another thing. Third, fatigue of boredom. Boredom is also one of the cause for the plateau, which is associated by the learning curve. Last is a positive interest. Positive interest will not be any cause for the plateau. So this D option will be eliminated, and the option which containing the D, we can directly eliminate those answers. So the correct option for this question will be option number 1, where A, B, C can be the causes for the plateau in the learning curve of a student.